Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9448XX. 16,000 miles on this Equinox. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Summit white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, cross path detection, as well as forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split rear seat. Fold flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. That's where you set the forward collision alert, cruise control, heated steering wheel for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8-inch touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Backup camera, as well as forward camera. Dual zone automatic temperature controlled heated seats, as well as cooled seats, keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. And wireless charging. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.